Hey folks, my name is Michael, and in this video I've been asked to make these holes bigger. So here someone has scanned a denture. The mesh is not very nice, and they've used a cutting tool to cut holes through the existing denture teeth. So now I've asked what the best way is to make these holes a bit bigger. So first of all, I'm going to have a look at the mesh, and one of you, I'm not happy with the geometry at all. It's a horrible mesh. I wouldn't consider even working on it. So we're going to remesh this. In the Blender, the property toolbox, we're going to go to modifier and we're going to click on remesh. Here I'm going to set this to 9, and the scale I will click to 0.7. And then after this we're going to apply this 0.7 and apply. This will now have remeshed the entire structure, and if in edit mode we can see what a beautiful mesh we actually have. And this is the foundation for everything, as we need a nice mesh so that we can print or mill whatever we need to do. Next thing that I'm going to do is we need to place the cursor in the center of this circle. Now this is a little bit of a time consuming thing because we need to select all of these outside vertices. It is not an edge loop because of the complex geometry, and therefore we need to, with the C key, brush over each and every vertex until we get to the other side. Now this is not part of our model designer or guide module. This is just a purely one-off to see what we can do. So now I've gotten to the other side. Make sure that you've selected each and every one, because we want to place the cursor in the center of the circle. Now we're going to go Shift S, and we're going to click on cursor to selected. Make sure we are on active element. If it's not an active element, it may give you a different result. Now you can see the cursor has been suspended in mid-air, but we know it's been calculated in the center of this highlighted circle. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to face selection mode, and I'm going to click on a random face, and then we're going to go to view, align view with the top. This now places the face parallel to my computer screen. We know now the cursor has been placed in the center, and we know now that the face, we're looking right down the center of the hole. I can also see that the hole has not been designed correctly because it is a slight taper. You can see the inside circle is a bit smaller. So here we've got this selected. I'm going to tab out of edit mode. On the model designer, I'm going to go to curve cutting. This will now place a curve in the area where we need it. Tab to go into object mode. Here you can see object mode, and then I'm going to go to the item and I'm going to put 7.3 and the other one 7.3. And then in the model designer, we're going to simply click on keep outside. Wait for it to calculate, and now we just click on accept. If I had to measure this hole as it is from one side to the other, so I'm going to select one here. It may not be exactly accurate because I may not go through the midpoint, so I'm going to just select one of the opposite ones and then view, and in my measure toolbox I'm going to click on segment, and I'll have a look at 7.26, but had it gone through the middle it would have been exactly 7.3 millimeters. So that concludes the video, and we would then continue doing this for each and every hole, and then the client has a guide with a 7.3 millimeters hole in it. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.